and you will end up coming through this beautiful river. बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya and this vlog is all about my first time experience of celebrating Holi in Sangla, Himachal. So I booked a group trip for Sangla Holi, and as I'm from Bangalore, so I took a flight from Bangalore to Delhi. So there are two ways of reaching to Sangla. Either you can reach from Shimla or you can reach from Manali. So we have taken an overnight bus from Delhi to Shimla. So stay tuned for it. So guys, we are at this MC Volvo bus station in Shimla, and we reached at about 8 o'clock here, and we're already late because there's a lot of traffic congestion because of the long weekend and the Holi thing. So basically you would stop here and get down from your Volvo, which you've taken it from Delhi, and you will unload and load in this small tempo. So we have 3 tempos here. So from here you will go towards Shimla in this tempos, and you will be checking into a hotel first for 1 hour just to freshen up, because we all be traveling in the night and we want to freshen up. So they advise us to open our suitcase and take all the things like change of clothes, the essentials you need to freshen up, and put it in a day bag, and the remaining that's there on the top. So here there is also a small canteen where you can get sandwich and chai. So we picked a few things for now. Now we are starting in this tempo, and it is the 1 hour travel to Shimla, and we were told a lot of landslide and a lot of traffic jams. So we are crossing our fingers to reach in like 1 hour. And I will show you what kind of a hotel we checked in for an hour and what are the scene like. So stay tuned. So guys, we have stopped at this hotel. So they gave us this room for 3 people only to freshen up. So this is how the room looks. Just showing the view. And I'll just show you the bathroom. It's pretty clean. So we have 1 hour time to have shower and freshen up. And yeah, so they have geyser also. So guys, Deeksha and I are already and freshened up for half a day, which is left, not even half a day. Okay.
We have sightseeings to cover.
Yes, sightseeings to cover. So I just want to tell you that when you are coming for this trip, especially for the Holi trip, so everything is like super jam-packed. If your bus from Delhi gets delayed and everything gets delayed, and in the previous video I said that you will stop at this bus stand and you're going to transfer to a different tempo. So they asked us to open our suitcases and take the essentials. So avoid doing that in the bus stand. Make sure you pack 1 pair of change of clothes and your cosmetics in your day bag, and 1 towel and stuff.
Yes.
And so that you can avoid that entire scene of packing and repacking. So they have given us this room. It's very nice, very neat room, and we have the shower is like, it's very clean, and we have hot water. We both had nice shower, and then now we are heading for breakfast, which is in the same hotel. Also, don't forget to carry a lot of snacks because the bus journey is like very long, and we couldn't find like good snacks on the way. Except you love to eat junk food, then you will find a lot of chips. Yes. So we are going to eat palu paratha now. So guys, it is around 10 o'clock in the night, and we just reached the hotel. So ever since I boarded my flight yesterday at 9 o'clock in the morning in Bangalore, till now I'm only on the road, except for a few hours where I went to meet my niece and nephew in my brother's place in Delhi. Oh my god, the whole overnight Delhi bus got delayed, and we reached Shimla late, and then from Shimla to this Kalpa we could not go because after reaching all the way to just few hours before Kalpa, we were asked not to go ahead further because of landslides and stuff. Then we again have to take a detour and come to this place which is Salahar, and we somehow got this room now for all the travelers. Trust me, it's super exhausting. It's super cold. I'm hungry and famished. So I'm just going to eat some food, and then I'm going to tell you about tomorrow, because tomorrow is the first day of Holi over here. But we need to go from here to Sangla, so let's see. Good morning, guys. We are in Sarahan and having green tea. Having green tea. So last night was quite an adventure. So we woke up very early and we got ready, and we are just putting our stuff in the cars, and we are heading directly to Sangla, and we are crossing the fingers that the roads are good and we are able to reach Sangla as planned on time. So guys, remember I was telling that we are leaving to Sangla, but on the way the trip advisor has made slight change. So we are going to Chitkul now for a sightseeing for half a day, and because the Holi in Sangla starts after 1 o'clock, so they thought they might as well use this morning time as we started very early. So we'll go to Chitkul and for a quick sightseeing. But in case if you are planning to go to Chitkul, you can spend at least a day or two. This has like a lot of places to see and amazing landscapes. So I just want to give an update, and here we just stopped to refill the fuel, and we're going to Chitkul now. So guys, we have reached Chitkul. So on the way we touched Sangla. Got it nicely. We played Holi, a little bit of Holi band with bands. We played next to the Renway. And it took us 1.5 hours to reach from Sangla to Chitkul. And currently at India's last dhaba, which is this. And just look at this scene of so many cars, and it's super crowded. And it's super chilly. Glad I wore so many layers. Like usually when I come to these mountains, especially in winters, I overdress up, like as in I wear extra layers, and that really helps because Chitkul was like totally impromptu, and a lot of people did not even wear shoes and all. I can feel that light because it is actually cold and chilly. And just look at the view behind. If you just walk further down from the place where we parked, towards the right side of the dhaba, and you will end up coming to this beautiful river just by the snow-clad mountains, and this is so peaceful. And I thought it will be like really crowded, but it is not. Uh, but yeah, I like really enjoyed coming to Chitkul today, and so this is the best place to take all your snow pictures and videos and everything. I really wish there is a snowfall in Himachal before I leave, because it's been a while I've not witnessed a live snowfall. So guys, we are back from Chitkul, and it's about like 5:30 now, and we've checked into this room. So this the whatever rooms we have stayed, they do not have heaters, and yeah. But then from yesterday's room, this room is much better because it has this gorgeous view. I'll just turn my camera and show you the the room tour of this miniest room. Just wait for it. So this is the room. And that's it. This is like a very small room. The only saving grace is this view. So guys, now in some time we have Holi party in our hotel. Holi hai!
Holi hai!
But there is a but. The market is just 50 meters away. So we are just going to check out the market.
And get the flowers on the topi.
Get the flowers on the topi. Because I've seen a lot of people decorating flowers on the topi. And buy some snacks and then head to the Holi party.
Buy some clothes also.
Holi party.
रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे.
This is 350 rupees.
वो मतलब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, ये 50 का है, 50 मतलब आप अपने हिसाब से
कैसे
ज़्यादा
करना
लगाना.
कितना है 50?
हाँ जी.
Okay. This is the end of my part 1 of Sangla Holi series. The last 24 hours were mostly transit, so there wasn't much action, but the real Holi fun is just getting started. Stay tuned for my next vlog where I'll be sharing all the festive madness along with my pro tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog.